Ella, are you having cereal? Oh, concentrate real hard on that bite. Oh, good shot, good shot. Just a little bit.
No, Mommy.
What's wrong?
Huh?
What's wrong?
Big me.
What? The TV, you can't hear it. It's just hurricane coverage.
People here that they want ice. They need it to help keep the stuff cool.
Is that better?
No, Mommy.
What's the matter?
Huh?
What's wrong?
No, Mommy.
Is it raining outside?
Huh?
Is it raining?
Huh?
It's raining, huh?
Really? Mommy.
Good girl. Do you know the song, It's Raining, It's Pouring? Do you know that song?
Yeah. Bye.
Where are you going?
Bye.
Where are you going? You want me to turn the camera off? You want me to turn it off? Oh,
Bye.
miss you. Where'd you go? Where'd she go? There she is.
Anna.
Where is she? Peekaboo.
Big girl. I see you.
That's
Mommy.
right. I see you too. Oh, big bite. Good girl. Can you fit that all in?
Hello, Mommy. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Mommy.
Hey, Peekaboo, where's Ella? Where's Ella? Where'd she go? Peekaboo! Oh, where'd she go now? Ella, do the eye. Ella.
Kitty. Kitty. Mom.
Is that the kitty cat?
Huh?
Is that the kitty cat? Do you love the kitties?
You up? You up?
What?
Up?
Help? Ella, maybe if you didn't take such big bites, you wouldn't have to hold your hand over your mouth to keep it all in. It's okay with you? Not such a big bite. There. There, see how that works?
Oh, no, Mommy.
What's wrong?
Huh?
What's the matter?
Kitty.
The TV
Huh?
doesn't have cartoons on it? The cable's out. We can't watch any cartoons. Oh, another big bite.
Oh, no, Mommy.
You have some on your face.
Huh?
You have some cereal on your face. It's right here. Yeah, over there. There you go. It's on your chin. You don't feel it? Ella, give me the eye. Do the... Do it again. Oh. Do your...
Mommy.
Go. Oh. How much do you have in your lap?
Oh no, Mommy.
What's the matter?
Too big.
What?
Big.
Big?
Big.
I don't know what you're talking about. Right, not so big. Not such a big bite. There. That's good. See how much easier that is? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Well, hurry if you're going to do it. Well, you handled that one pretty well. I love you, Ella. Can you say, I love you, Mommy? Yeah, clean up, clean up, clean up.
No, Mommy.
Oh, sorry. You say, I love you, Mommy. Louder.
Yeah, Ella.
Yay, Ella. Can you say, I love you, Mommy?
I love you, Mommy.
I love you, too.
I love you, Ella.
You love Ella, too.
I love you, Bob.
You love Bob.
I love
Yeah.
you.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Miss you.
Miss you.